Determine the value of k that will make the following function continuous. Okay, so we get f of x is equal to, and then in a piecewise function, we have k x squared plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, and then x minus 1 if x is greater than 2. All right, so in this case, what we know is that if they really are continuous, then they should have the same, they should be approaching the same number, right? So as an example, if we look at this, right, this is like a parabola. We don't know what k is, so it could be opening down or it could be opening up. But let's just say for now we had some parabola, doing this. Okay. And let's say like right here is 3. Okay, right? Like right there is when x is equal to 3 on this parabola that we have. And then after that, right? So it's equal to this parabola when, or sorry, 2 when x is equal to 2 here. And then after that, it's following some, well, actually, in this case, just a linear function, right? X minus 1. So after that, maybe it goes off in a straight line like this, right? But can you see that at that point, they were approaching the same number? So like the same y value at that point, right? So then what we can do is we can say, okay, well then whatever kx squared plus 3 is equal to, right? Remember what it's equal to is the y value. Well, it should be equal to the same thing as x minus 1, right? They're like equal to each other. So there you go. We've set up a little equation, and now we can solve for x. But you may be saying, yeah, but we don't know the x value, right? But we actually do, because at that point, right, we know what that point is. That's when x is equal to 2, right? That's where we're interested about here. So let's actually just sub in 2 in place of x for both of those. So we can say, okay, k times 2 squared plus 3 is equal to 2 minus 1. Right, so we get, this is 4, right? So 4k plus 3 is equal to, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. Right, so minus 3, minus 3. So we get, here, come up here. So we've got 4k is equal to negative 2. So then divide both sides by 4. We get k is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so then if k is negative 1 over 2, then in this case I had this wrong, right? I had my parabola opening up. Looks like it would actually open down, right? So it would look something like this.